Are you going to play golf?
Yes.
Just show Mommy how you play golf.
Mommy, up.
Well, you can't play golf on my lap. Go show Mommy how you play golf. Okay, show me. Make a shot. 1, 2. What did you say? Nice shot? Nice shot.
My Papa almost shot.
Okay. It's okay. Line it up. Line up your shot. Two hands on the club. 1, 2, 3. Nice shot. You want to use the blue club? You want to use your driver? Mommy will use the driver. Okay. Yep, that's your driver. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Swing. Are you putting or swinging? Nice shot. Okay. Say bye-bye, Grandma.